welcome back. In this video, we will see how to use AI to open and close the door. We'll use the same house which we used for our previous project. So if you guys didn't watch it, consider watching it. We train our AI to detect different people and program our B-brain to open the door if it finds a certain person and closes the door if it finds others. I have asked Muhammad and Aziz to come over and help me with this project. I taught them how to train AI and program the B-brain, and this is how they did it. So, in our Train AI section, we made one class for each one and gave their images as their training data. And once they took almost 700 images each, they trained AI. The train model was exported and the link was copied to the AI block in Codeit. And for the programming, the forever do block was dropped, and from the logic section, if do block was dropped, then from the AI section, the prediction block was dropped and changed to Aziz, so as to open the door when the AI predicted Aziz. And the rotate block was dropped from the rotate section, in which the angle was set to 70 degrees and connected in port 5. Then else if or elif block was dropped and the prediction was set to Muhammad. Again, the rotate block was dropped and the angle was set to 180 degrees and connected in port 5, so that the door closes when the AI predicts Muhammad. Next, an else block was created and the rotate block was dropped and the angle was set to 180 degrees and connected in port 5. And when Aziz showed the face, the door opened, and when it saw Muhammad's face, the door closed. And to my surprise, the model was actually very accurate. They were showing their faces and opening and closing the door calmly at first, but after some time it became a fight to show their faces to open and close the door. It was very interesting and I enjoyed a lot throughout the project. As you can see, it is very easy to use AI to make your own exciting projects with Bonic, and if you guys need any help, you can always reach out to me. So that's all about this video. Until next video, take care and bye-bye.